Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi SQ5 Sportback Vorsprung with the Tiptronic gearbox. Now, this particular example is finished in the quantum grey metallic paintwork, which has really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. As well, it is a part of the approved used range, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now, looking towards the key features, and with this being the Vorsprung specification, it does mean the sporty trims are added, such as the front bumper, rear diffuser and side profile. As well, this particular vehicle is fitted with an electronic tow bar, which can easily be adjusted by a button inside the boot. Now, taking a look at the exterior features, we do find these fantastic digital LED matrix laser headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. And towards the alloys now, we find these Vorsprung specific 21-inch 5 V-spoke anthracite diamond cut alloys, which really complement the grey paint. To the roof now, we do find the sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which is fold open to let in that natural light into the interior, as well as creating a lovely contrast. Moving into the rear boot space of the SQ5 Sportback, where we do find up to 510 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a utility vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full quilted napa leather interior with the diamond effect in the centre. Besides this, there is a leather centre armrest, which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, making the vehicle perfect for family usage. There's also heated seats available for those rear occupants. Moving into the front, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica Alcantara, carbon fibre, and also with this being the S model, it does mean you get these full leather seats with the quilted leather and the S logos, as well as the electronic adjustments just to the side. Above now, we find the virtual cockpit, which is featured a central rev counter, as well as having access to navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle data. Looking towards the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature the satellite navigation, as well as having access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this, there is the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities located either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above, once again, we find the optional 360 surround camera, which does make this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi SQ5 Vorsprung, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.